When is the best time of year to get a new roof? The best time of year to get a new roof depends on your specific situation. That's right. There's no hard and fast rule about the best time to get a new roof. It all depends on your particular situation. For example, if your roof is leaking or has significant damage, you'll want to get it replaced as soon as possible. Waiting could result in further damage to your home, and that's something you definitely want to avoid. On the other hand, if your roof is in good condition, but you're simply looking to upgrade to a new style or material, you may be able to wait until spring or fall. These are typically the two most popular times for roofing projects, as the weather is milder and contractors are generally less busy. So when is the best time of year to get a new roof? The answer really depends on your individual needs and situation. However, if you need a new roof, whether due to damage or simply wanting an upgrade, then it's best to speak with a professional roofing contractor as soon as possible. They can help assess your situation and guide you on the best time to get a new roof installed. For a free roof inspection, call us at 225-369-1119.